In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're laying down text-heavy slides or just wanting to add a little flair to your visual presentation, utilizing columns can be a fantastic way to organize content efficiently. It's a straightforward process that will enhance your presentation significantly. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to open up your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. If you have your file ready, go ahead and launch it. Once your presentation is open, you'll find yourself on the slide screen. From here, you're going to navigate your way to the Home tab, which is located on the top menu bar. This tab is essentially your go-to for a multitude of formatting options, and today it's where the magic happens for adding columns. Now look towards the middle of the ribbon in the Home tab where you'll see the Paragraph section. This is an essential part of PowerPoint where you can adjust the alignment, indentation, and spacing of your text. But today, we're going to focus just a little above the section title, Paragraph. As you hover just above that word, you'll see the option to add or remove columns pop up. Here's a helpful tip. If you're unsure where the right spot is, just look for an icon that resembles two columns of text side by side. This is what you'll need to click. After you've selected Add or Remove Columns, a small drop-down menu should appear, presenting a few choices for how many columns you'd like to add to your current slide. For our demonstration, we're going to select 2 columns. Doing this automatically adjusts the text layout in your selected text box to accommodate the dual column setup, which can be perfect for contrasting different pieces of information or presenting points and subpoints side by side. As soon as you click 2 columns, you should see your text move into 2 separate sections. It's a seamless transition designed to make your content easier to read and more visually appealing. And that's really it. You're done. You've successfully added columns to your PowerPoint slide. This small change in your presentation's layout can make a big difference in the overall delivery and aesthetics when you're in front of an audience. It's a simple yet powerful way to make slides that are both more interesting and easier to follow. Remember, you can always return to the Paragraph section in the Home tab to add or remove columns as needed, depending on the slide's content and your design preferences. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.